Hello, I'm Rosie from Pure Spa. I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to the Pure Spa product range. If you're not familiar with Pure Spa, we've actually been around for over 25 years, and that makes me feel old. We started off with specialist products such as our Whirlpool bath cleaning solution. And then over the years, we've developed the range, and we now have everything that you would need to clean, maintain and manage the water in your hot tub. The chemical range we have starts with the essential sanitizers. So we have the chlorines, the bromines, whether that's in tablet form or granule form. Then we have the water balance products, and that includes the pH adjusters and the alkalinity increaser. We also then do a range of what we call more specialist products. So we have the no foam, the clarifiers, and then we do sort of delve into the pool products as well with the algicides and the flock. We also sell the cleaning products. That's really important. We do the flush, the hot tub system flush. We do filter cleaners and the biofilm tablets as well. So we have the full range there. On top of that, we also have our own range of spa filters, top quality filters, and often these are sold with or without a pod. This one's pod compatible. So when they've got the pod, you can literally just insert the little chlorine tablets so that you've got a constant drip feed of chlorine. So they're popular with the holiday parks, or if you were going on holiday, something like that. All of the products are available in either 500 gram, the 1 kilo, 5 kilo, and we even do the larger 25 kilo pack sizes. So for trade customers or holiday parks, or perhaps you've got a hotel or a swimming pool and you want the larger sizes, do get in touch for that because we stock those as well. So all of the products are available online directly from our website, which is pure-spa.co.uk, and we also have them available on our parts distribution website, which is hydrospares.co.uk. One thing to mention, if you're a trade customer, make sure you do log in first, and then you'll see all the correct pricing and the discount structure for case quantities. Yeah, get in touch if you need anything.